Hello everyone, hello all the crypto, DeFi and DAPP fans all around the world. This is Paul from Crypto Lifestyle and welcome back on my channel. Today we're gonna talk about BNB Yearn, which is a new DAPP platform with a unique reinvestment rules. So let's start. Okay guys, so we are back with another review. I chose this one because I like the design. It looks like someone put the time, it's not like a cheap clone with just, different background. The logo is nice, the design is nice. Yeah, it looks just, professionally done. Okay. So we're gonna take a look at their plans, their referral program, their anti-whale measures that they have. I mean, this reinvestment rule. So let's check the audit first, as we usually do. The contract is verified. You can also check the contract here if you go here. Yeah, they already have 14 BNB on balance, even though they didn't launch yet, because they will launch in 3 hours 24 minutes. Then the dividends will start accumulating. You can deposit now, but you will have to wait, in order for your plans to start working in 3.5 hours. Okay, so yeah, you can see the code here is public. If you know how it works, you can always check it out. If you don't, you can go to the audit page. Sorry guys, my computer is a backup one. I'm like buying a new one maybe today. Okay, yeah, so here is the page for the audit, and you'll go to the PDF here to see all the details. Yeah, let's take a look. Let's take a quick look. Yeah, so plans, we will talk about plans. I will show this on the UI, on the website. So the contract owner's fee is 10% on deposit and 5% on reinvest. They're launching today in 3 hours. So you will have time to prepare yourself. Float plans. Oh yeah, the daily profit of plans will increase 1% daily. So each day it will increase. Yeah. The contract pays 8% referrals commission over 3 levels and 3.5 on reinvestments. Whale can get rebate. Yeah, we'll talk about this on presentation. Just wanted you to show, to take a quick look at the audit. Okay, so everything is cool. Okay, and let's check the presentation as well. They've done a few languages. Let's look at the English one. Yeah, I love, I like this details, I like good design, I like good logo, and I like if they have presentation, everything is like clear, professionally done. Then I think, it makes a difference. There are so many of these things right now. So okay, so basic investment conditions. So for every 24 hours, the interest rate will increase by 1%, and there is no maximum limit, but there are limitations on their investment rules, and they are pretty unique. I mean, they're very high, but they will get low. So it's paying a lot, but you also would have to reinvest a lot. So I think that's a good idea. We'll see how it works. So minimum deposit is 0.05 BNB. There is no maximum limit. And on reinvestment referral commission are reduced to avoid funds drainage from smart contract. They have this reinvestment feature. So from day one, each withdrawal will be 90% reinvestment, compulsory, like you'll have to do it. You'll have the second balance with the BNB, which you can reinvest, choosing the best plan to suit you. And it will go down, each day it will be reduced by 4%. So it will go down to 50%. It will stay like that. So after like say is 10 days. After 10 days, it will be 50% obligatory reinvestment. So you'll have to reinvest half of your earnings. Okay. You have a whale rebate here. If you put 50 BNB, you can instantly get 2 BNB back. And earnings every moment, withdraw anytime. These are the reinvestment plans. We will take a closer look on the website. And the referral commissions is 531 for investments and 21 0.5% for reinvestments. And yeah, people will reinvest a lot because that's like the feature of this DAPP. Always check the address, guys. You know, the smart contract address. There are sometimes some cheap scams, so you know that can have vulnerabilities. So always check that out. Okay, so let's go back to the website now. So the balance is growing. You know, we have still over 3 hours to launch. Yeah, we reviewed all these rules. So how to participate? First of all, you'll need MetaMask or Trust Wallet. You know, MetaMask as an add-on to Chrome. You need to configure and add custom RPC. The details on how to do it, the instructions will be in the description of this video, so check it out. Trust Wallet is simpler. You just add Smart Chain BNB as a token. You go to Binance, buy BNB, and send it to Ethereum-like address because BNB BSC is like a sidechain of Ethereum, and you're sending it as a BEP20 token to the Smart Chain address from your Trust Wallet. The same you do on MetaMask, but you know, for Trust it's simple, so you know, choose the best one for you. Buy BNB from any of the crypto exchange. The best is from Binance, because that's their token. Yeah, and you can check how to switch to Binance Smart Chain. They have instructions as well. Choose the plan and confirm the instructions. Earnings are paid every second. Okay, so let's take a look at the plans quickly. That's like the most crucial thing here. So first plan is like a short plan only for 1 day. So we can like basically do a new cycle every day. You know, you're finishing and then you're doing another cycle. I like short plans, so I like this one as well. It's paying 10% for after 1 day. Remember, I mean 10% is profit, so it's paying 110, but you know 100 is your initial deposit. So you can like reinvest and compound every day. So you know that's safe if you're like, you know, if you don't like to risk too much, this is a plan for you. The second plan is for 4 days, but it pays a bit more. It pays 45% daily, and total return is 180%, so 80% profit. So if you want a little bit more risk, but you know you want to be paid adequately for your risk, this is the plan to choose. And I also like this plan, to be honest. And then the third plan is to the 35% daily for 7 days. The total return is 245%. So yeah, that's for 7 days, but it pays a lot. You know, after 7 days you'll get 245. So yeah, choose the best one. I like the best plans for me are these two first plans. Then they have longer plans, and these plans are different because you won't be able to take your daily dividends or reinvest daily. You will have to wait until the end of the plan. So in the first plan is 10 days, in the second one 15, and the plan 6 is 20 days. And only after the plan is finished, you can take your initial seed, and you can also take your profit. So here the total return is 304%. So yeah, if you like risk for 10 days, you'll get a lot of percents. You know, these plans are more risky, so do your own research, you know, decide yourself. I told you I like these two plans, and I always like the first plan, so you know that's my opinion. You know, just need to decide yourself. Okay, here you'll see a referral commission, your referral link. If you want to share this with your friends, you'll have to you will have to send them your link, and your address will be in your link. You can copy it here, and just clicking it will be copied. Here, you can see also the percentage for referrals. We've already done it. And remember, it is important, you must have at least one deposit in order to start earning from your referrals. And on reinvestment, commissions are lower, like I said. Okay, so basically from what I know, even though it didn't launch, you can deposit already. And I'm pretty sure, everything is all right here. I like to go early, and I advise that, if you want to go, don't think too much, just go early. If you go later, the risk will be higher. So, it's always better to go early. And I give you this possibility. You have an early review on my channel. Okay, we will go, to test in the first plan for 0.3 BNB. It will finish tomorrow. I can see my results. I can do my calculations then, and I can decide if I want to put more. Yeah. So this is why first plan is nice, because then it's only for 1 day, and then next day you can decide if you want to go to another plan, like compound your earnings and do the second cycle. Your decision. Okay, so let's take this BNB. We'll test it. Oh. Maybe you cannot stake already. Let's see. Okay, so maybe I'll have to wait, but this is basically how you're gonna do it. You're gonna put that amount here. I'm gonna do another move, after launch, and I'm gonna do a quick deposit there, and you'll see how to do it. Right now, I guess. Oh yeah, yes, here it's just maybe working slower because of my slow computer. Yeah, I have to know. Okay, I've clicked it twice. Wait a minute. Okay. Yeah, watch out, because if you click too many times, you can deposit twice. Okay, so let's see if I see it here. It should be here in a minute. Or let's refresh. Maybe let's refresh. Okay. If you're, if you don't see the balance here, click connect. This is what you need to do usually. Okay. Yeah, and you can see total stake BNB. Oh, it's already. Yeah, probably I won't be able to withdraw. Maybe whatever. But no, it's already accumulating, and also here it will be I will accumulate what I have for reinvest, and then I'll be able to reinvest. So I will build my deposit. It will grow over time. So yeah. All right, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will do an update soon. There are more videos coming. There are huge things coming as well. So just subscribe to my channel. You'll get notifications. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and maybe leave a comment. Thank you, guys. Have a great day. See you soon.